Imagine a beautiful place in Europe, a home for many wild animals. This is Slovenia, a land of mountains, forests, and clear rivers. It's a small country, but it has lots of different animals, some of which are very rare. From the big European bison to the mysterious olm, Slovenia's animals are amazing. Let's explore these animals and learn how people are helping them survive. Slovenia works hard to protect its animals. National parks and special areas keep these animals safe. Slovenia wants to protect nature, and that's a good example for everyone. If we understand how important these animals are and help protect them, we can make sure they'll always be around. Let's learn about Slovenia's rare animals and why they are so special. Deep in the forests of Slovenia, something big is moving. It's the European bison, the biggest land animal in Europe. Long ago, people hunted them so much that they almost disappeared. But thanks to people working hard to protect them, they are back. Slovenia has been a safe place for these gentle giants. European bison eat plants like grass, leaves, and tree bark. They help the forest by making open spaces where other animals can live. The males have big horns and show off their strength when it's time to find a mate. The females usually have one baby, and they stay close to keep it safe. Seeing these big animals in the wild shows us that protecting them works. When it gets dark in Slovenia, you might hear a wolf howl. People used to be afraid of wolves, but now we know they're important for nature. Slovenia has many wolves because they're protected, and people understand them better. These hunters help keep nature balanced. Wolves hunt deer and other plant-eating animals. This stops those animals from eating too many plants, which helps the forests grow. Wolves also keep other hunters in check, so there are many different kinds of animals. If there are wolves, it means the wilderness is healthy. Deep under the ground, in the caves of Slovenia, lives a very strange animal. It's called the olm, or sometimes the human fish, because it's pale and looks a little like a person. The olm is blind and lives in the dark. It can live for a long time, even without food. The olm has a long body, gills on the outside, and special senses to help it move around in the dark water. It eats tiny animals that it finds by feeling the water move. The olm shows us how many different kinds of animals live in Slovenia and how important it is to protect even the underground places. Slovenia is doing a great job protecting its animals, and that's a good example for everyone. By saving rare animals, Slovenia is protecting nature, not just for itself, but for the whole world. The European bison, wolves, and the olm are just a few of the amazing animals living in Slovenia. By learning more about them, protecting their homes, and teaching people about them, Slovenia is making sure these animals will be here for a long time. We all need to protect the animals on our planet. We can do this by helping conservation, being kind to nature, and making good choices every day. Then, both people and animals can live together happily.